What up, YouTube? Welcome to Dips World, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, so check this out. Today we're gonna be working on a 15 road glide. We're gonna be doing an interfering swap paint. Gotta tear the whole interfering down like we did on my bike. We gotta take this bag off because it's got some scratches on it. Get it painted. Got a custom rear end, a rear fender that's going on it. Yes. Something else we're gonna be doing too. I can't think of it right now, but it's one more thing we're gonna be doing too, so stay tuned. Peace. so far. We got the inner frame disassembled, took it apart. About to take these gauges out, take them these glove box hinges off, and that'll be completed. I think that's about it for the inner frame. We gotta get this off after that. So after we get done with this, we'll go to this. Stay tuned, peace. Yes, sir. So this is what we got going on now. We got the inner completely took apart. I gotta take them off because that's going to paint too. The blinker housings. Gotta take that apart. I gotta get that right bag off back there. Cause that's going to paint too. Cause he scratched it up. And I gotta get this off. So that's what I'm about to do now is take this off. We're gonna go there and get that off. Then we're gonna go get that bag off, and then we're gonna take the stuff to the painter. Stay tuned. Yeah, so check it out. Up next, we're gonna take this bag off because we gotta get this painted too. This actual bag, because when it fell over, it scraped it up right here. So we're gonna get this bag off, took apart, and then we're gonna take all this stuff to paint. Stay tuned.
Oh.
what we about to do. We about to take all these plastics to the paint, man. Drop them off. Stay tuned. I'll get right back with y'all. Peace.